Makiariria synod ya kanitha wa ACK thiini wa county ya Murang'a. Kanitha-ini wa ACK St Peter's Cathedral Keno, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i augite thirikari ni ithagathagite wega kuhe kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC riega ria gutabania githurano kinene.
And because of what Kenya went through in past elections, our president, in his capacity as the chairperson of the National Security Council, directed us as early as 2018 to begin preparing for the transitional election.
Matiang'i akiuga thina uria uri kuo munene ungetheire githurano ni miario ya ateti aria macokete gutuhuka ciugo cingicungirira ngui na rumena rwa makavira matiganite guku bururi-ini, no akahiuka kuga thirikari iri na maabitha a kuigana kurugamirira githurano na kuiga thayu.
The government has invested heavily in strengthening the security of our country. We have increased numbers of the police service by over 100,000 since President Kenyatta came to power. Every year we add almost 10,000 police officers to the service.
Matiang'i agicokera miario erigite kwaria igi ateti aingi aria marenda mathurwo iturwa citiganite kuria makoretwo makiuga ni ahuri biashara indi namba njega ni endia a dawa cia kurevia na biashara ingi haramu.
I've noticed that even in this year's election, a good number of candidates who are seeking elective positions at various levels are those people who describe themselves as businessmen, but they don't tell you the business they do.
Hamwe na Matiang'i ni Minister wa ukinyaniria Joe Musheru uria uritie ateti aria maramuorota ati ni ethagathagite guthoga mitambo ya IEBC matige ucocheri na guoya. Musheru akiuga ndari na uhoti wa gwika uguo kuona gutire mundu ungihota guthigitha mitambo eno.
The area of support that we're supposed to provide to the IEBC is that of connectivity, the network. This one is done through provision of the policies that we put in place, licensing of operators through the Communications Authority.
Inspector General wa Borithi Hilary Mutyambai agikira mukonde ati ari sheba na maabitha ake othe kuiga thayu na kunina umaramari bururi-ini. Guku nake Bishop Julius Karanu wa kanitha wa ACK Diocese ya Murang'a ya muhuro agitariria Matiang'i ati ta athinjiri Ngai ni makoretwo magicererwo muno ni ateti na maheni.
And what I assure you, kikosi ya police, National Police Service is up to the task. We received briefing this morning and we are very satisfied. Tunaendelea mzuri. Hapa Murang'a hata nimeambiwa na my county police commander, niko na yeye hapa. The first thing nimekuwa na yeye ameniambia Murang'a tuko sawa.
We are getting a lot of rise. We need to find out whether it is the right wearing the clothes of the truth.
Riu ateti makiurio no muhaka matabanie kambeini cia thayu kuona maitho mothe ma ugitiri nio merekeire. Matiang'i akirira bururi wothe ati thirikari iri sheba gutigirira ati githurano kinene ni giatabanio na njira ya ma thayu na waragania. Wakiigwa kamuhwa ngunyana niguo ngururirie na nguthererie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi maguru ritwa riakwa ni Sera wa Boi wa Mwangi.